Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies in a pan. Use a heavy skillet on medium-low heat and shape dough into 2-inch rounds, flipping after 3 to 4 minutes. Keep the lid handy to melt chocolate or steam centers. I'll guide you through mixing, testing doneness, and quick fixes for sticky or crumbly dough so each batch comes out warm, chewy, and perfectly browned. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and softening butter for an even batter. Fold oats and flour gently to keep cookies tender. I show how to add mix-ins last so they don't sink, and how to adjust sweetness with brown or white sugar. You'll learn quick swaps for gluten-free oats and how a pinch of salt balances flavors, ensuring each pan cookie is chewy in the center and crisp at the edges. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more easy cooking guides. Quick recommendation: treat your feet like your cookies. Go darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort and durability, perfect for standing in the kitchen while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you want long-lasting comfort. Now let's get back to the video. Cook cookies on medium-low heat and watch the edges for a golden rim before flipping. A thin spatula helps turn them gently. I'll explain how to tell when centers are set but still soft, and why a short resting period on a rack finishes the texture. Serving suggestions include a pat of butter or a drizzle of honey, and tips for reheating to refresh leftover cookies so they taste just baked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.